6 pay commission recommendations were supposed to be implemented from 1st of January 2006.
Yeah.
6 pay commission recommended that there shall not be any group D staff anymore. 6 pay commission. They said group D disbanded, you convert them into group C. Minimum class 10th or ITI pass was the eligibility criteria. Those who were possessing this qualification would be given that pay scale which sir has announced with a grade pay of 1800. But there were many employees who did not possess those qualifications. So we cannot throw the employees out. For them there was a scheme that the government will retrain them, upgrade their skills and will call them as a multitasking staff, so that they can do either peon's job, chowkidar's job, mali's job or sweeper's job. So they can do the multitasking, and in government now there will not be any recruitment of those people who do not possess these minimum qualifications. Hereafter. There is another category of people whom government sometimes appoints on compassionate grounds. Suppose somebody dies while in service, one of the family member is given a job on compassionate basis. If those people do not possess the requisite qualification, they will also be given a training and they will be given the benefit of 7th pay commission only after they complete this training process.
G positions by named sweeper, mali किंवा तसली अशा कॅटेगरीतली जी आसात तांची रिक्रुटमेंट आता नंतर हाच्या बंद जाता हांगा गव्हर्मेंटान आनी दोज वील हॅव टू बी आउटसोर्स थ्रू गोवा ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन. 7th पे कमिशन आमकां लावपाक थोडो वेळ जाय तो ह्या गोष्टीक लागून. ते जर आमी घाई गडबडीन लायल्ले जाल्यार लार्ज नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉईज अंडर ग्रुप डी कॅटेगरी वूड हॅव बीन डिप्रायव्ड. त्यामुळे दिवाळे पयलींची बातमी ही तुमी सीत आयले ही आनी बाकीच्यांनी गैरसमज करून घेवचो न्हय, नाजाल्यार ते उरपाचे थंय. तांच्या हिताच्या दृश्टीन उरलां. दिवाळी जातकीर लगेच एनावन्स करुया. गोवा स्कीम ऑफ फायनान्शियल असिस्टन्स फॉर फिल्म प्रोडक्शन जी पयलीं आसली ती 2011 पासून बंद आसली आनी 2011 पासून आतां पर्यंत अनेक जाणांनी फिल्मां काडल्यात. 6 युनिट रिवायव करपा खातीर एक स्कीम